Okay, so I'm going to do a quick tour of things as they stand at basically hour one of day one of living in this apartment. So here's our front door. I need to get a smart lock here, which I think is doable. We'll see. I might have to get some sort of, anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll figure. No one cares. So this is the Genkan. This is the area you walk in, and yeah, put your shoes here. There's another storage area down here. There's an area for umbrellas and stuff. Pretty much that's it. Normally there's like a step up certainly in traditional houses. Here there's just like a small ledge, obviously. This is somewhat strangely where the bathroom is, and by that I mean the toilet. Yeah, it's a bidet, which is nice, with a heated water feature, and seems like a nice bathroom, I guess. It's slightly weird, again, just because it's in the entrance area, and I guess I should point out while I'm here, there's the bathroom, or the hand washing thing there. You put a towel there, soap probably up here or something. But yeah, so you can wash your hands after you go to the bathroom with no sink. Just goes there. That was the same at our last house, and it's pretty typical, so maybe you've seen that before. But anyway, so yeah, so this is the entrance. Then we'll go room by room here. First thing I'll point out, we have a nice little video camera thing that turns on when somebody's outside, which is nice. Here is the kitchen. The rice cooker I bought already looks large, although honestly, for whatever it's worth, let the record reflect, it's a 5.5 cup rice cooker, which is definitely on the smaller side. But anyway, it won't end up there long term. Oh, more people are showing up at our house, I think. So if we're gonna have to go in a second, might be a two-parter. But yeah, so this is the kitchen. We'll put our fridge here, which we've purchased. Lindsay purchased yesterday, or the school purchased for us, I guess, which was really nice. But we'll put that there, and then on top, we'll probably put like a microwave, which the school also bought for us. It's like a grill / microwave, because there's no stove, or there's no oven, in case you can't notice that. This is just storage. But yeah, so here we'll probably put like a shelf, and maybe the rice cooker will go on that, or I don't know. But we've got quite a bit of area, and there's a lot of wiring, or there's a lot of power outlets and stuff, which is really nice. So anyway, this is the kitchen. Garbage will probably go into the sink. All right, next room, we'll go to the living room, which is here. Normally there's not a van parked out there, but yeah, you can see that at least there's trees. It's on the first floor. Honestly, it's not optimal for sure. I mean, because realistically, people love looking in this window because it's hard not to, of course. So I'm guessing a lot of the time we'll have that, like a sunshade covering that, which means our one source of light will not be all that much of a source of light all the time. Note to self, be careful opening that. Here's more light though, and again, we'll probably do the same thing here, put like a shade or something over it maybe. Down here will become relevant later. This is our dry area down there. You can't really see with the reflection, but anyway, so yeah, this is the living room area. It's tiny, of course. Again, it's one of the other problems with this place. It's just the layout in general is sort of weird, but this, I guess we might call our dining room. So I don't exactly know what we're gonna do here. We can fit a table against this wall, which we might do 120 centimeters here, which is enough for like a person to sit on both sides. But then it starts to encroach on the living room, so to speak, which will have to probably a tiny little couch somewhere, and then a kotatsu, and then maybe some seats for sitting on the floor. I thought it might be cool to have like just like a little bench here, or like a little short table that we can sit and use for prep, but also maybe sit at, and like if somebody's cooking, sit here and like look into the kitchen. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, we'll see. So that is the upstairs, which is, it's bright enough. It feels very clean. I think we're the first ones to live in this apartment. So yeah, other than the layout weirdness and stuff, it's pretty nice. And it's at least passable, I think. We'll be able to live here and not be like absolutely miserable. I'm sure there'll be things every day that we're like, oh God, I hate that. But anyway, this is our tool for running the bath from the kitchen, which is pretty typical actually. Yeah, so like if you're making dinner or whatever and you want to get the bath set up, then you can just hit a button and it will automatically fill the tub, which we will look at in a second. Here's our sink. Quite nice actually, it's quite big. I also am happy that we have a big one of these. Sometimes they're like long and narrow. This is just like, I don't know why we don't have these in the US. I guess because it's a hassle, but you've probably seen these before also maybe that I've talked about, but yeah, you put a bag in here. They sell them at Daiso for like $1 for 100 of them, literally, or more. But yeah, you just put a bag in there, and then any of your small scraps and stuff just go down there, and then you just take the bag out once a week or whenever it gets full or whatever, and just throw it away. So yeah, so anyway, that's that. Now downstairs.